From Abbotsford to Hope, the Fraser Valley Healthcare Foundation has served these growing communities for over 20 years, helping patients and their families who depend on localised healthcare.
Fraser Valley Healthcare Foundation we are the fundraising arm for the Fraser Health within the Eastern Fraser Valley. So it provides them with equipment that's state-of-the-art that they can help provide the best medical care out there. So we support 4 hospitals: Abbotsford Regional Hospital, Mission Memorial Hospital, Fraser Canyon Hospital, and Chilliwack General Hospital.
Fraser Canyon Hospital serves Hope and the Fraser Canyon. The equipment that our hospital needs, for instance, we need a bladder scanner. Our bladder scanner has unfortunately not been working the best, and so we need something more up to date. So secondly, we really do need a ultrasound PIC insertion site. We have the means and the academics to do it there. We just need the actual utilities and equipment so we can provide that service there.
Your donations touch thousands, funding infrastructure, innovative research and hospital-wide equipment.
This is one of our Welsh Allen vital signs monitor machines, affectionately known as Vitals on a Stick, and it allows the nurses to have all of their equipment for checking vital signs with them when they can go into a room. Their arms are free. It checks blood pressure, it can check heart rate, temperature, all in one. We are looking for more of these. The systems that we had when we moved in are aging out, and this is the replacement. So we have one, but we are asking for, I believe, 2 more for pediatrics, and the maternity unit is also asking for a couple of these as well.
The foundation plays a critical role in our community. It supports the Fraser Health, and it supports the local hospitals and programs in the Eastern Fraser Valley. And it raises funds on top of the funding allocation from Fraser Health, so it really enhances some of the purchase powers and you know, funding that can't normally be done. So it's adding to enhance the healthcare system in the Eastern Fraser Valley.
Fraser Valley Healthcare Foundation are a tremendous resource for us and the best support. We rely heavily on donations to get some of the equipment that we desperately need.
What does it mean to you to have a functioning hospital with good equipment?
It's critical in this community because while we may not be that far in kilometers from other resources, traffic in this area of the Lower Mainland is really difficult. So for people to get to locations in a hurry is a problem. In addition, we do have a lot of people in Mission who do not have ready transport to leave town and go somewhere else.
So for Mission, we're looking for a CT scanner. CT is now the modality of choice for a number of things, including trauma. But right now, if you're a patient in the Mission community and you go to the Mission Hospital, you need to get transferred to Abbotsford for that CT. If you're a trauma, the ambulance will likely bypass Mission and go directly to Abbotsford. Then you're not getting the care you need in your own community.
The Gala Foundation is a group of ladies. They are all volunteer-based. They raise much needed funds to support breast health within the community of the Fraser Valley. And so they have been great supporters here at Abbotsford Regional Hospital by supporting the breast health clinic. So they are working right now to raise some funds for a mammography machine out here in Abbotsford and within Chilliwack.
The Gala Foundation started in 1999, and we raised money for equipment and technology for breast cancer. The Abbotsford Regional Hospital, for example, we fund breast health unit, the screening mammography, as well as diagnostic mammography. And this year, we're helping out with Chilliwack Hospital. They need a new screening mammography, and we want to give people the best opportunity at the best care at home.
I can't say enough thank you and appreciation for what they have done, what they've donated. I mean, myself, all my close family members have used the hospital and the equipment that's been funded by the foundation. So great thank you, not just as a board member on the foundation, but as a member of this community. I just can't thank these donors enough.
Abbotsford Hospital treats so many children and families in our community, and maybe today it's not your child, but tomorrow it could be your child. Our staff really work hard to provide the best care we can, and part of that is trying to make them comfortable and make their stay better.
So most people give because it's close to their heart. They have either used the hospital or they have a loved one that has used the hospital, or even if they're a company, their employees are using our hospital. So they like to support the hospital by making a donation to purchase much needed equipment that will support those within their community.
Ensuring the very best health for ourselves and our loved ones means ensuring the very best health care from experts close to home. Dean Atwal, Joy TV News.